Think and Grow Rich was written by Napoleon Hill in 1937 and promoted as a personal development and self-improvement book. He claimed to be inspired by a suggestion from business magnate and later philanthropist Andrew Carnegie. One day Napoleon Hill met Andrew Carnegie. In the middle of their conversation, Andrew Carnegie suggested Napoleon Hill to write a book that can help people to achieve their goal. Because most of us think and imagine to achieve something in life but give up in the middle of the work. Andrew helped Napoleon Hill to meet 500 successful Americans who achieved something big in their life. Even Andrew funded Napoleon to write this amazing book. Napoleon Hill took 30 years to meet all 500 Americans and completed his work. He published his book in 1937, first published during the Great Depression. At the time of Hill's death in 1970, Think and Grow Rich had sold more than 20 million copies, and by 2015 over 100 million copies had been sold worldwide. It remains the biggest seller of Napoleon Hill's. Many successful people read this book and applied those principles in their life. So, today I am going to explain the 10 principles from this book. These 10 principles are 10 important keys to unlock your successful journey which helps to get a breakthrough in your life. Key number 1. Desire. Desire is something, a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. Desire is not the enemy to a happy and balanced life. So, desire is very important in your life. Burning desire is when your wish for something turns into a strong, fervent craving to get that thing. In the book, the author mentions a king who wanted to conquer the islands in a Pacific Ocean. Once he landed on one of the islands and started to capture it, but there were more than 500 soldiers who were ready to defend him. But the king had 100 to 200 soldiers in his ship, so he ordered sailors to burn all his ships and told his soldiers to fight against them to continue their journey. So, soldiers did not have an option either to do or die. Finally, after a long battle, king won the war and killed his enemies without losing any of his soldiers. Here, the author is comparing the king to us and those ships to our options, and he explains that to achieve something in your life you should have a strong desire and never give up. Key number 2. Pay the price. We believe that if you want to achieve success, you have to do whatever to get to the top. You don't have to let anybody stand in your way, but remember that there is a price you have to pay. Let your success worth the price. Because everything has a price. Key number 3. Set the time to accomplish the task. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, which leads to more free time, which lets you take advantage of learning opportunities, lowers your stress, and helps you focus, which leads to more career success. Each benefit of time management improves another aspect of your life. But you should set time to complete your work and lead a happy life. For example, in next 5 years you are going to start a company, and in coming years you will take that company to global level. While sense of urgency often gets the job done faster and successfully, there are lessons to be learned. Sense of urgency doesn't mean faster is better. It means operating towards the priority or end goal in sight to achieve results or success. Key number 4. Create a definite plan. The planning process provides the information top management needs to make effective decisions about how to allocate the resources in a way that will enable the organization to reach its objectives. Productivity is maximized and resources are not wasted on projects with little chance of success. Key number 5. Write down your plans. Writing down your goals helps to remind you of what you are trying to achieve. Funny enough, we forget so many good ideas without even realizing it. They vanish as soon as they pop up in our minds. One way to help keep this in check is to write down your ideas as soon as they pop into your mind. And key number 6 is to read your goals every day, which will remind your future goals and help you to make wise decisions in your life. Key number 7. Acquire special knowledge. Knowledge means not knowing everything around you. Know something interesting and acquire specific skills in that particular field. In the future, you can make more money by monetizing that skills. Once Bruce Lee quoted,
I fear not the man who has practiced Yaman kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick Yaman times.
Key number 8. Imagination. We have imagination to help us determine and conceptualize what our primal needs are at any given moment and strategize the best possible ways to meet those needs. A lot of our imagining happens in our unconscious, under the radar of our awareness. So we are rarely privy to what those specific needs. The ability to imagine things pervades our entire existence. It influences everything we do, think about, and create. It leads to elaborate theories, dreams, and inventions in any profession from the realms of academia to engineering and the arts. Once Einstein quoted that, imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Key number 9. Persistence. Persistence is the fact of continuing in an opinion or course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. The state or quality of being persistent, persistency. Persistence is continuing to try, an effect that continues even after the cause has been removed or something that sticks around for a long time. But usually, when special circumstances don't come into play, persistence always pays off. Simply put, each time you show up, your chances are increasing. If your chances are 1 in 100 and you show up 100 times, statistically you will win. Even if you don't after the first 100 times, you will win in the end. Key number 10. Power of mastermind. Spend your time with successful people who think positively, share your thoughts with them and get some solutions. But don't dare to spend time with unsuccessful negative people who demotivate you. There is a quote in English: if you show me your friend, then I can decide whether you will be successful or not. At last, I recommend you to read this book or listen to its audiobook for free by utilizing free trial in Audible. If you like this, do share and subscribe to our Get Wealthy YouTube channel.